Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the polynomial, functions, and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x equals x plus 2 times x squared minus x minus 12. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A. P has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B. P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C. P has exactly 1 distinct real zero and non-real zeros. D. P has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. So to solve this question, we will need to find its zeros, right? So to find its zeros, we will make the factors equal 0. So there are two factors here in this given function, the polynomial. So if we will make x plus 2 equals 0, and by taking away 2 from each side, so you will find x as negative 2. This is the first factors, first zeros of the polynomial. For the second one, we will do the same thing. We're going to make it equal to 0. And this is x and x. When you multiply what numbers, that you get 12 as a factor. Let's use 3 and 4. You cannot use 6 and 2 because when you add them, that 6 and 2, you cannot get negative 1. So why do I need to get negative 1? Remember, the number in front of the x is now negative 1. So when I multiply 3 and 4, I need to get negative 12. So one of them has to be negative. And when I add these two numbers, I need to get negative 1. So the greatest one will be negative. This is positive. X plus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. So x, if I will make them each separately equal 0, x becomes negative 3 on this one. And this one, if I will add 4 to both sides, x will be equals 4. So how many real zeros we have? Negative 2, negative 3, and 4. We have different type of 3 roots. So P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. So the correct answer for this specific question is then choice B. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.